Maria Rowena Amelia Villena Guanzon, born August 29, 1957, is a Filipina lawyer, public servant, and politician who notably served as Philippine Commission on Elections Commissioner from 2015 to 2022 under President Benigno Aquino III and President Rodrigo Duterte. She had been an audit commissioner mayor of Cadiz in Negros Occidental until 1992 and also served as chief of staff to Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. Rowena Guanzon campaigned for the P3PWD party list during the 2020 House of Representatives elections, and the party list won single seat. In 2024, the Supreme Court barred Guanzon from taking her congressional office by nullifying her nomination, citing grave abuse of discretion by COMELEC in approving her substitution past the designated deadline. Rowena Guanzon was born on August 29, 1957, to the prominent Rowena Guanzon family of Negros Occidental, known for its sugarcane plantations. Rowena Guanzon then took up economics at the University of the Philippines Diliman, and upon graduation proceeded to earn her law degree from the University of the Philippines College of Law, graduating in the top 10 of her class and receiving a Dean's Medal. Rowena Guanzon was appointed mayor of Cadiz, Negros Occidental in 1986 under the Provisional Government of the Philippines, which was formed after the 1986 People Power Revolution that ousted the Marcos regime and led to the exile of Ferdinand Marcos. Rowena Guanzon was appointed after several other candidates had declined to be mayor of Cadiz, fearing violence from local strongman Armando Gustillo, who had played a key role in the Escalante massacre just a few months earlier. In September 1985, Rowena Guanzon served as mayor until the end of her term in 1992. Rowena Guanzon taught election law and local government at the University of the Philippines College of Law in Diliman. Rowena Guanzon had been an audit commissioner before taking office at the Philippine Commission on Elections in February 2015, days before retirement. Rowena Guanzon publicly named fellow Commissioner Amy Farolino as the one delaying the decision in favor of Marcos before leaving the post. Guanzon's published works include issues and problems in the enforcement of the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, Philippine Law Journal, December 2008. Constitutional Challenges to the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004, Journal of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, March 2009. The Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act, Issues and Problems, Journal of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, and Legal and Conceptual Framework of Battered Woman Syndrome as a Defense, Philippine Law Journal, Volume .86, No. the 1st of December 2011. The UP Law Center also published Guanzon's book, The Anti-Sexual Harassment Act Notes and Cases, in 2014. Guanzon is currently writing textbooks on the Local Government Code for the University of the Philippines and the Auditing Code of the Philippines Casebook. Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.